Welcome to Rocketbook. Now that you've downloaded the app, we want to make sure that you're prepared to launch. Your first two missions will be to set up your cloud destinations and to beam your first Rocketbook scan. Tap the destinations icon to see the list of 7 symbols, which you will recognize from your Rocketbook notebook pages. You can assign these destinations to automatically send to over 10 popular cloud applications. Tap the first symbol to see the list of voyages your Rocketbook scans will go on. Let's use Google Drive as an example. Type in the email address associated with your Google Drive account and you'll immediately see your existing folders. Pick an existing folder, create a new one, or simply click Save and your scans will go right into your main directory. Your Google Drive account is ready for its mission. Now, decide what, when, and how your scans will complete their journey. You can export your scans as a PDF or JPEG, decide if multiple scans should be sent as a bundle or individually, and finally, if you'd like your scans to beam at the speed of light automatically or manually. Now that your first destination is aboard, it's time to send your first scan into the future. Tap New Scan and get ready to experience Rocketbook magic. Make sure your whole Rocketbook page is in the scan view and your hand is steady. A brilliant green square will highlight and snap your notes in real time. Once your scanning is complete, take a look at your handiwork and tap Back. Tap Done and rename your file if you'd like. Then, launch your notes, sketches, to-dos, and big ideas into the cloud. Your scans are neatly organized on the history screen. Your life's work will remain in the Rocketbook app as long as you don't log out. Our crew is constantly working to assist your journey by improving controls and adding new features. So be sure to check out the new equipment regularly and report back any additional questions and suggestions in our Help Center. You are now officially prepared for infinite possibilities with the Rocketbook app.